Hey guys, welcome back. I have a unwrapping sort of for diamond painting. And this is the last diamond painting I bought before I went on my no buy thing. But this one is supposed to, I don't know, I'm a little skeptic on how it came, but it is supposed to actually go on the wall. And yeah, it's pretty large. So let's just check it out. First, I want to show you, of course, there's no box or anything. And this actually came totally torn. So yeah, that's why I'm saying I'm not sure how this is gonna look. But you know what? We're just gonna open it and see, and hopefully the damage will not be that bad. Okay. So this is the canvas. We'll look at that later. Okay, so there is some bubble wrap around it, but yeah. Okay, we have a toolkit. We have a single placer and some tweezers, 5 baggies as I look at it, and a plate of wax and the famous white boat with a funnel. So, oh, a lot of drills. Drills are looking good from what I can see, but of course, first we're gonna have a look at the canvas. And okay, these are taped, which is not bad at all. And before I unwrap this one, I'm going to show you a picture of the painting and what I paid, how long it took, and all that stuff. Okay, so this is on a fairly large foam roller, which hopefully will help the painting. As I look at it now, it looks absolutely perfect, which is really good to know, because yeah, this is supposed to go on the wall. So yeah, pretty big foam roller. Okay, so this, if I can remember correctly, it's supposed to be a, yeah, 50 by 80 centimeter diamond painting. This looks perfect. Perfect. Let's quickly look at the back. Perfect as well. Oh, this is good to see. This is so good to see. Okay. So will this fit on screen? Or do we have to, can we zoom out a bit more? Yeah, we can. Okay. So it is one big sheet. It has 40 colors. It has a, on both sides, it has a legend. And let's just see. Okay, I think this is, I was going to say this is 310 Live, but it's not. It's 939 Live. Okay, there are no 310s in this painting, just 939s. You know, when we were visiting Vegas, we must have, you know, yeah, we drove by this sign like 6 times, and every time there was like a huge line of people waiting to take their picture with the sign. And every time we were like, nah, and eventually we kind of decided we would just, you know, buy a painting, or in this case do a diamond painting. I am so impressed. I wasn't impressed when the package arrived. I was like, oh no. But this looks absolutely perfect. I don't see any rivers at all. I don't know if I can kind of show you with the lighting what it looks like, but it looks absolutely perfect. And the drill area looks very clear as well. This should be, yeah, it's a square painting. Okay, thank God. But let me get you a little closer so you can see the drill field. This looks very, very good. I don't see any symbols that I would have trouble with right now. Okay. So there we go. Let's just do this side. Come on. Here we go. Oh, no, no, no. Piece of tape, piece of tape. Okay. I have another piece of tape here, so I'm just gonna pull that off now, which I should have done as soon as I cut it, but anyway. Yeah, 939, 939. Okay. Absolutely perfect. No issues at all with the adhesive or the canvas. Extremely sticky. And I can't wait to start working on this. This will be very, very easy. These parts right here. It's just all color blocking, but I really don't mind. Okay, I have created some creases in the paper, but it shouldn't affect the diamond painting at all. Oh, I'm so relieved to see this. Okay, now I'm just gonna do a quick inventory of all the drills, and yeah, I'm gonna speed this part up. Okay guys, everything is here. A little shocked by all the 939s. 221 bags is what I received, which is 2 more than I needed. And all the other, they're all here. And I do want to show you a bit, like, I feel like these are the more fancier bags with the like shiny lettering on them, which doesn't always make them that much easier to read. But there are no loose drills anywhere, and the drills themselves look absolutely perfect. I should be able to if it will focus. Really, really good. I don't see any trash. And same goes for the lighter colors. It looks absolutely perfect. So overall, I'm pleased this ended up being perfect. And I honestly can't wait to start working on it. But yeah, I'm working on something else at the moment. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're healthy and everybody's safe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.